How to set up the 3.3 Lightbox frame. This display comes with one box. Make sure you check the labels before unpacking. Lay the extrusions on the floor and connect them as shown. Attach the corner sections. Move on to the support poles and snap them into place. Connect the footings. Great job so far. Now, let's move on to the electrical setup. Attach the Y cable. Connect the transformer. This setup includes one 96-watt transformer. Turn on the power and test the lights. And that's it! Your 3.3 Lightbox frame is fully set up. Well done!